Mayday, mayday, mayday. East River engine failure.
This morning, tragedy in the East River. After just 11 minutes in the air, the Liberty helicopter charter crashed at 7 Sunday night with 6 people on board, including the pilot.
Call 911! Call 911!
Witnesses on the Upper East Side near 86th Street felt helpless as the sightseeing chopper floated down the river.
It was going down very fast, and it slowed down a little bit, but then as it approached the water, it just sank.
Within minutes, a tugboat operator managed to pluck the pilot to safety after he escaped the wreckage.
I'd like to thank the crew from the tugboat. They were the first boat on the scene.
But panic set in on board while first responders arrived on scene within 5 minutes.
It was honestly very surreal, and praying and hoping that they were going to survive it.
The other 5 passengers were tightly harnessed inside the wreckage, which was overturned and sinking.
It took a while for the divers to get these people out. They worked very quickly, as fast as they could. That's 50 feet of water there. There was a 4-mile-an-hour current, and the temperature is below 40.
When the victims were finally freed, it was too late. 2 people were already dead, and 3 others lost their fight at the hospital. And you can see those blinking lights out there in the East River this morning. That's where the helicopter has been secured as we wait for the NTSB to arrive here in New York this morning to begin their investigation. As for the pilot, 33-year-old Richard Vance, he has been treated and released from the hospital and was interviewed by detectives overnight.